Okay, y'all, so y'all might hear my husband in the background. He working from home in this times. Y'all may also hear my little baby come talk to me, and y'all may see her hand or something. Yeah, we just gonna move along. My mom has asked me to do the most extra thing ever, y'all. Babe, you okay? Something wrong with that man. Anyways, ignore the ignore the singing in the background. Get on my nerves. So my mom has asked me to do the most extra of extra things, okay? She went out and bought, okay, before I show y'all, she's a very cheap person. She likes bargains. It's not always a bad thing. She loves bargains, especially beauty bargains. So she went out and purchased this Sensational Bare and Natural one pack system, and as y'all can see down here, it says it comes with a 10-inch, a 12-inch, a 12-inch, and a 14-inch. The style is Wet Bohemian, and the color is Bleach Honey. Now, so it comes with one of those old, very traditional lace front closures, or not lace front closure, but a lace closure. One of the ones we used to use some odd years ago, where it's just like really 2.5 inch by 1, or maybe 3 inch by 1. This is how the pack comes. So it's the closure, a brown 10-inch, a brown 12-inch, a blonde 12-inch, and a blonde 14-inch. What she wants me to do, y'all, is make this blonde hair dark brown, and then to bleach this dark brown hair, the dark roots with the 33 color at the bottom. This is more of a 27, but she likes rocking the 33. Y'all know 33 is more of an orangey red color, and that's what she normally wears in her hair. Now right now she has on a frontal. I just installed the frontal in her hair, and I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen to show y'all what that frontal ended up looking like. But she had this hair sitting around, and as y'all can see, y'all, she got this hair for $9.99. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but she got this hair for $9.99, a one-pack system from $9.99. If you live in Dallas, Texas, then you know in Oak Cliff there is a beauty supply store called Jenny's Beauty Supply. They always have sales. They always have bins and bins and bins of hair that's on sale that they're trying to get rid of and all this stuff. So this is where she got that pack from. What she got for me to dye this blonde hair with is this Dark and Lovely brown sable dye. And for the dark brown, I will be using my BW2 Clairol as well as my 30 volume developer Clairol. And it's not a lot in here, y'all, so hopefully I can make it stretch. If I can't make it stretch, I will have to go get some more of the powder. I have more than enough of this, but hopefully I can make it stretch. And y'all, I haven't did anything with beauty supply hairs in a while, so this may be a fail, but we just gonna see. We gonna see how it turns out. So you better love it, Mom. All right, you better love it, Gina. You better love it. And her name Felicia, y'all, so in the comments just put by Felicia, okay? You better like this wig, girl. So let's go ahead and get into dyeing the bleach, dyeing the blonde first. by the way, just a disclaimer, I am not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional. I am not licensed. None of that. It's just stuff I like doing, I enjoy doing. For the most part, when I do these things, they come out really well. So that's why my mom asked me to do these things. But again, I am not a professional of any sort. So I don't claim to be. So don't come for me if I'm doing something wrong. So because I'm not doing any kind of precise application, I'm just gonna go to town. And you want to make sure it gets through everything thoroughly. So I'm gonna be massaging it through all the strands. Okay, y'all, so I got this all nice and saturated through this hair. Y'all see that it started turning dark brown immediately. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to let this marinate and for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll come back and wash it off and condition it, and we'll get started on the bleaching. Okay, you guys, so off camera I went ahead and washed off the Dark and Lovely dye and then conditioned it with the nourishing cream conditioner that they put in the box. And I have to say, it's really soft, y'all, really soft, and the color came out well. So I'm just gonna put this to the side and let this air dry. And I did brush it out, detangle it with my little Denman brush, and to my surprise, y'all, this is all the shedding that came out of these two bundles of hair. That's really good for some beauty supply store hair. So just sit these aside, let these air dry while I go ahead and work on the bleached hair. This is all that's left. This is all. I'm gonna try and make it stretch with the developer. if you do this, please don't be like me. Make sure you put on some gloves. I am gonna put on gloves. I'm just mixing this up first, and I'm gonna open my back door because it's kind of strong and I got kids in the house. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is what the rest of the bundles came out looking like. Here's the closure, and of course, me being me, I don't have anything to tone the knots, so I'm gonna construct a wig, and before she puts on the wig, I'll tone the knots for her, but I'm not gonna do it before I construct it. And what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and let this air dry like the other bundles, and then I'll go ahead and put the wig together and come back and show you guys what it looks like completed. I washed this out with some Suave conditioner, and then what had happened was I combed it out with my Demnon brush just like I did the other ones, and these bundles didn't have any shedding at all, so it was just the shedding from the first 2 bundles that I did, but altogether minimal shedding, and that's pretty good if you ask me for beauty supply hairs. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and construct the wig and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so real quickly I'm just showing y'all how the wig turned out. I gotta sit it on the counter because I'm being real lazy. I'm telling to go get the stand, but as you can see, I did bleach the knots as well as pluck the part, and the color came out real nice. It came out just how my mom wears it, so she is currently on her way to come pick it up, and I'm going to be reinstalling the hair that she has on her head. But y'all, I finessed this beauty supply hair. I finessed it, and I'm going to be trying it some more because of this whole issue going on in the world. It's real hard to get goods that you order offline nowadays, so who knows, I might go pick me up some and make me a wig, but with an actual frontal, because I think that you can actually get a frontal from the beauty supply store, so we shall see. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. This is what it looks like, the closure and everything. You cannot part it anywhere because the closure is just this right here. Like I said, it's one of them ones we used to use some years ago, so this is all you got right here. And the sides, if the wind blows, the cap is black, so you won't be able to really tell. But yeah, my baby's crying, so gotta go. But I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.